Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am Shweta Gauraje from B Electrical. Here we are going to give a presentation on disinfected robot using UVC type tube and microcontroller. Here are the members which are giving the project on disinfected robot. These are the contents in our project presentation. Introduction. Nowadays, our world is suffering from corona crisis, and in daily life, cleaning is very important. That's why we designed disinfected robot. This robot is killed the bacteria, germs, etc. present in the surfaces. This app is operated through mobile app connected to Bluetooth. Robots successfully to disinfect their hospitals, public transports, office spaces, and other public places. We have implemented this UV robot in a cost-effective way to expand the disinfection process to public places. These are the objectives. Our main objective is to disinfect the surface. Also, to reduce the time for disinfect area. The disinfection area which requires the human energy. Also, the objective is to reduce the human energy and also the safety of human. Here are we consider some literature survey for our project. These papers we are giving so much important information to read and analyze in our project. Here also the present we are giving the literature review. Problem stated. We know that whole world is suffering from corona crisis and daily life cleaning is also required. But due to busy lifestyle, it cannot possible to cleaning. Cleaning is carried out by number of people every day. This would conserve energy and time. Our goal is to design disinfected robot which will disinfect surfaces using UV light. This is four-wheel robot will move the room ensuring of the 95% area of room is hit with UV light operated through mobile app. Here we are using the methodology. There are some components Arduino UNO L298 motor driver module, SC05 Bluetooth module. Here is some robot chassis which we are places these components. 4 5-volt gearing shunt motors, connecting wires, battery holder, power supply, and Android phone and Bluetooth control app. Here, the microcontroller is the main heart of our project. The microcontroller is placed on Arduino UNO. The microcontroller is connected to SC05 Bluetooth model and the L298 and motor driver. Also, the for the our automated system, the battery bank is the main component which will give the power supply to our all components. And this is connected to SMPS, which is switched mode power supply. Also, the disinfection purpose we use the UVC tube. The UVC tube is converted by the AC to AC light. The AC light that's we require inverter. The inverter is connected to battery bank. The battery bank supply is 12 volt, which is convert to 30 volt DC AC by inverter. The motor driver L298 motor driver is connected to four motors. Motor 1, 2, 3, 4. The driver means the driver collect the data from microcontroller and pass to it to motor 1, 2, 3, 4 for the movement of the whole body of our disinfected robot. The next presentation will be continued by my friend Dhanashri Arge.
This is a simulation model of disinfectant robot using UVC tube and microcontroller. In this, we used a Protis software. First, in SC05 Bluetooth module, transmitter pin of Bluetooth module is connected to receiver pin of Arduino, hence transmitting data related to robot's movement for Arduino phone to Bluetooth module and do not intend to receive any data from Arduino. Then receiver pin of Bluetooth is left open. Now L298 motor driver. The digital input output pins 9 through 12 of Arduino are configured as input pins of motor driver and are connected to input pin 1 through 4 of L298 motor driver module. Both enable pins are connected to 5 volt through provided jumper. Robot which is in this Bluetooth control robot project is supplied with 4 gear motor. Then next, these are the simulation result. First figure shows the simulation model for forward command. The motor are rotated forward by giving command through controller. Then a second figure shows the simulation model for left command. The motor are rotated left by giving command through controller. Then next, third figure shows the simulation model for right command. The motor are rotated right by giving command through controller. And the last figure shows the simulation model for backward command. The motor are rotated backward by giving command through controller. Then next slide. This is the external body of the robot. The robot body is made up with steel. The robot is teleoperated robot equipped with the UV light system. The robot can disinfect and kill the disease, viruses and bacteria with UV light. By breaking down their structure, the robot body moved by wheels powered by a DC geared motor. There are two wheels at front and two wheels at back to maintain balance. At front of robot body, two LED are placed. When robot is start moving, that time these two LEDs are on. Then next slide. The internal body, different components are feed in the internal body of the robot. We have placed a battery which is 12 volt 12 ampere hour lead acid battery. Arduino Mega is powered with main battery through a voltage regulator module to reduce voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt. The motor drive is connected to Arduino L298N IC is capable of running DC motor which is connected between UV lights and battery. We use 230 volt 50 Hz 100 watt inverter. Also we use SC05 Bluetooth module which is able to use neither receiving nor transmitting data. Also we use 8 watt 230 volt UVC tube to sterilize surface. Then Arduino Bluetooth app. We can operate robot with our smartphone app, that is Arduino Bluetooth app, and communication between robot and smartphone Bluetooth. There are four commands: left, right, front and back. These all commands set in this app setting and operate robot. Then next, application. The robot is used in hospital to disinfect the room and medical equipment. Then school, colleges and offices, in washroom, in hair and beauty salon, in the food outlet shops, and then transportation. Then next, advantages. In it is easy to operate, it is require less time to disinfect surface, it provides effective and efficient operation for desired goal. Then next, disadvantages. UV lights are harmful to human eye. The life UVC tube is depend on for how much time it is used. Then next, conclusion. From this we conclude that this system is very effective and efficient for disinfect surface and objects. This results in virus inactivation such that they are no longer able to replicate. Then next, these are the references. Thank you. By using the Bluetooth app, we control the robot. This is the forward direction. Motor are rotated forward by giving command through controller. Then robot moved the right direction. The motor are rotated right by giving command through controller. Then motor is rotated left direction. The motor are rotated left by giving command through controller. Robot moved left.
बंद केलंस का?